Hi, in this video we will talk about that 7 herbs that protect eyes and repair vision. In a world dominated by screens and environmental pollutants, our eyes often bear the brunt of daily stressors. Fortunately, Mother Nature offers a wealth of herbs renowned for their ability to protect and revitalize our precious vision. Nature provides an array of herbs that offer profound benefits for eye health, from shielding against damage to supporting repair processes. Number 1, Bilberry. In the realm of herbal remedies for eye health, few hold the esteemed reputation of bilberry. Centuries for its remarkable ability to protect and repair vision, this small yet mighty berry offers a plethora of benefits for ocular wellness. One of bilberry's most celebrated attributes is its abundance of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. Compounds play a pivotal role in neutralizing free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting delicate eye tissues from damage. Number 2, Ginkgo. In the realm of herbal remedies for eye health, few herbs possess the storied history and proven efficacy of Ginkgo biloba. Ability to enhance circulation, combat oxidative stress, and support overall eye function. Ginkgo biloba stands as a stalwart defender of ocular wellness. Ginkgo biloba, derived from the leaves of the maidenhair tree, has been prized in traditional Chinese medicine for millennia. Modern research continues to uncover its impressive array of health benefits, including its profound effects on eye health and vision. Number 3, Eyebright. Eyebright, Euphrasia officinalis, has a long history of use in traditional herbal medicine, dating back to ancient Greece. Its affinity for the eyes, this delicate plant has been employed for a myriad of ocular ailments throughout the ages. Eyebright's gentle yet effective, astringent and anti-inflammatory properties make it a go-to remedy for soothing irritated and inflamed eyes. Whether caused by allergies, environmental pollutants, or prolonged screen time, Eyebright offers relief from discomfort and redness. Number 4, Turmeric. Turmeric has emerged as a superstar in the realm of holistic health, celebrated for its myriad benefits for the body and mind. Did you know that this golden spice also holds promise for protecting and repairing vision? At the heart of turmeric's eye protective prowess lies its abundance of curcumin, a potent antioxidant compound, ability to neutralize free radicals, and combat oxidative stress plays a crucial role in safeguarding the age-related damage and degeneration. Number 5, Gotu Kola. Amidst the vast array of herbal remedies, Gotu Kola shines as a botanical marvel celebrated for its profound benefits for both the body and mind. Ocular wellness, this ancient herb holds promise as a natural ally in protecting eyesight and fostering vision repair. Central to Gotu Kola's eye protective prowess is its capacity fortify the delicate blood vessels within the eyes. In Gotu Kola support vascular integrity, enhancing blood circulation to the eyes and nurturing the retinal tissues. Number 6, Green Tea. Green tea, celebrated for its myriad health benefits, has long been cherished as a potent elixir for vitality and wellness. Green tea, derived from the leaves of Camellia sinensis, boasts a rich history spanning centuries and cultures. Central to green tea's protective prowess is its abundance of polyphenol, particularly catechins. Potent antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and combat oxidative stress, shielding the delicate tissues of the eyes from age-related damage and degeneration. Number 7. Saffron. Saffron, with its vibrant hue and rich history, has captivated cultures around the world for millennia. Beyond its culinary allure, saffron holds profound potential as a healer, particularly for the eyes. Saffron, derived from the delicate stigma of Crocus sativus flowers, has been prized since ancient times for its medicinal properties. From the courts of ancient Persia to the kitchens of modern-day cuisine, saffron has left an indelible mark on cultures worldwide.